I bet you didn't know AI could create music, paint masterpieces, and write gripping stories. Let's dive into this creative revolution. From composing symphonies to crafting electronic beats, AI is transforming the music world. Picture AI collaborating with musicians, creating genre-blending masterpieces that push the boundaries of sound. It's not just music, it's a new wave of creativity. Now let's step into the realm of art. AI-generated paintings can be photorealistic, abstract, and everything in between. Artists are using AI tools to experiment with styles and techniques, resulting in art that evolves and transforms in real time. It's like having an endless palette of possibilities. But wait, there's more. In the world of storytelling, AI is writing captivating tales across genres, be it sci-fi, fantasy, or romance. Imagine characters and worlds brought to life with the help of AI, making stories more immersive and imaginative than ever before. What's truly magical is the collaboration between humans and AI. Artists, musicians, and writers are working alongside AI to brainstorm, generate ideas, and overcome creative blocks. It's a partnership that's reshaping the creative landscape. As we look to the future, the possibilities are limitless. AI is not here to replace human creativity, but to elevate it. Together, we're crafting wonders that inspire and innovate. Subscribe to explore the future of creativity with AI-crafted wonders. Let's create something extraordinary together.